A lot of people want to know, how do you yell in sign if you can't actually yell? That's a good question. So for hearing people, you get louder when you're yelling, but for deaf people, the signs get bigger. ASL uses space, so when a deaf person is mad, they might use more space, more exaggerated signs, and their facial expressions too. You will see it when a deaf person is mad because they will show it. For me personally, when I get mad, I will start to crack all my knuckles to prepare. If I'm mad, you will see it in my face for sure.